guys, I'm so excited to bring you this video. If you are suffering from wrinkles, fine lines, or you just need a collagen boost, then this is the video for you. Hello, my name is Iman. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because Deepology have sent me some amazing gifts and I'm so excited to tell you all about their products. So this is the Matrixyl 3000 and it's a collagen boosting serum to help target wrinkles. If I just show you guys the consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too watery and it feels really, really nice on my skin. So I suffer from really large pores. I have fine lines here and starting here in my crow's feet here. So collagen is so important for me. I want to age gracefully. I want to age beautifully. And one of the key things is using products to help you do that. And that's why I love the Matrixyl 3000. So I've cleansed my skin and I'm just putting the serum on top. So it's recommended to use it twice a day after you cleanse your skin, but it's formulated with the most amazing ingredients. So Matrixyl 3000, it sounds really cool. Formulated with 2 peptides, that's basically signals to the cells to make new collagen, which is amazing. And it really helps to maintain your youthful appearance. It also has hyaluronic acid, the GOAT of all anti-wrinkle ingredients, which basically absorbs 3 times as much water as its weight. So it really helps to keep your skin plump and hydrated. It also is formulated with glycerin, which can penetrate into the deeper layers of your skin and it attracts water from the air to the top layer of your skin. I suffer from really dry skin, so it's really important for me to use hydrating serum. Oils are not going to hydrate your skin, so it's really important to use hyaluronic acid serum. And then lastly, it also has aloe vera juice. Aloe vera, as you guys know, is super hydrating, promotes healing in the skin, and it creates a barrier that helps moisturize and protect the skin. So the reason why I love this serum, so I've just put it on, my skin feels so, I haven't put it on this side just to show you guys, but my skin feels really hydrated. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, with sometimes when you get with like hyaluronic acid serums, can feel quite sticky, but it feels really nice and soft. It's absorbed really nicely into my skin. I just love how plump it makes my skin. I know I suffer from acne scars and large pores, so it helps, especially if you are suffering from acne scars. Signaling more collagen is gonna help promote healing. You guys can actually get a discount. I'll link everything in the description. I also received these microdart patches as well. Using both together, you're gonna see amazing results. So these microdart patches are super cool because they actually have tiny little darts that go into your skin and they help to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and you can even use them not just on your under eyes, but you can use them in your problem areas. Like here, for example, my laughing lines. The darts actually dissolve and they deliver amazing ingredients that help to promote hydrated, more youthful skin. Now, it's really important that you use this consistently to see results. So really recommended to use this twice a week and you will see amazing results after consistent use. You wear the patches for at least 2 hours, but you can wear them overnight as well. Each patch contains 1,000 micro darts and is infused with 30 milligrams of deep care serum. So I will see you guys in 2 hours to see the results. Hey guys, so I am back. It's been 2 hours, so I'm going to take the patches off, but you'll definitely see more of a difference if you leave it in for overnight, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna like just hold onto the skin and slowly peel it off the other side. And wow, look at my under eyes. They look so much better. You can literally see the difference of where the patches were and how much like more hydrated like the under eye area is. Love it. Everything is linked in the description as well as the discount code. So if you guys want to get yourselves a hydrating serum or the microdart patches, check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
No.